Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the best stick vacuum in the market for this year. VonHaus 2-in-1 Corded Stick Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum features a HEPA filtration system which hinders the spread of bacteria and allergens in the home. The system is washable and capable of locking in small particles to avoid recirculation within the home. The dust container has a 1.3 liter capacity and detaches from the vacuum with ease. Simply pushing a button on this cleaner transforms it from an upright cleaner to a handheld vacuum cleaner. It comes with a hose adapter, crevice tool, shoulder strap, and brush attachment. Although it is supposed to work on hard floors, it may not be the best choice. Dirt Devil Simpli-Stik SD20000 Red Stick Vacuum. Weighing just 3.8 pounds, this lightweight vacuum is easy to comfortable use. It also converts to a handheld vacuum for easy cleaning of other areas which are inaccessible in its regular form. It has a multi-surface feature which makes it suitable for cleaning both hard floors and rug. The vacuum features a bagless design which empties out without stress and a filter which you can rinse for easy maintenance. An issue with this cleaner usually comes up when vacuuming fine dust. The dust usually escapes from the vents on its way in. Bissell PowerEdge 8-1 L2A Stick Vacuum. The V-shaped design of this vacuum enables it clean edges and corners of a room. Larger debris passes through the center suction path of the V-shape, while fine, small debris is sucked in at the ends. Cleaning around furniture in the home is better with the swivel steering design of the vacuum. There is no hose on the vacuum, and it has a power cord which is 20 feet long. When vacuuming pet hair, the rubber squeegees on the vacuum makes it more effective. A few noticeable downsides include the lack of a motorized brush and battery.